Hi, Tanuja.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Yes, I'm doing great and feeling post holidays blue because
Ah,
I came from my vacation. So, yeah,
oh, all right. You came from vacation before the New Year's. You ended the
yeah,
New Year's with a vacation.
yes, yes. So on
Where
the
did you
1st
go?
January, I went to Pachmadi.
Oh, you are from Madhya Pradesh?
Yes.
Same here.
Oh,
Yeah,
good
I
to
went to
know.
Pachmadi a few months back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Who did you go with?
Sorry.
I said, who did you go with?
I went with my school friends and
Mhm.
yesterday only, I returned from uh, Pachmadi.
And how is it? It's really cold right now, I have heard.
Yeah, we have heard that there would be very cold, but I didn't find that cold because in Bhopal it's like similar weather we can say. So it was not that cold
Mm-hmm.
as I was expecting. And I think it's a
Mm-hmm.
good time to go there because there was no that cold and not like a rainy season also. So it was a good time to go
Mm-hmm.
there, I think.
What all places did you go to?
I visited Jatasankar temple and then Dhupgarh,
Mhm.
Pandav Gufa, Pandav Caves and Chauragarh. So we did that
Mhm.
trekking and we went upside
Oh,
and
oh, you took all these steps.
yeah, I was assuming that I would not be able to reach there uh, because
Hmm.
it's like somebody told us that there would be 1900 stairs and you have to cross that and then you will find that temple. And we were walking and walking and again, oh my God, still we didn't reach there and we were expecting that how we can go there.
Right, right, right.
Actually the nice experience because it was the very first time that I went on these kind of trekking. We
Mm-hmm.
enjoyed it a lot.
Right, right. We skipped the Chauragarh part because it would have taken an entire day to go to Chauragarh. So we had to
Mhm.
cut our trip short. So that's why we couldn't go there. I've heard, we could only see it from the mountains
Like most
when
of the
we.
people do
Mm-hmm. On the
because
way
it took
to.
entire day. Yeah, you are
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. It takes the entire day. Right. So you enjoyed yourself there in Pachmadi?
Yes, yes, I definitely enjoyed. Still, I'm
Your voice is breaking a lot, Tanuja.
is it okay now?
Yeah, it's better, but it's breaking. It's getting on and off.
Okay. Let me switch my network, maybe.
Mhm.
I think it's better now. Is it okay?
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's right. Better.
Yeah, before joining this call, power went off and I connected with my hotspot. So that's why maybe.
Oh, right, right, right. That's all right. Yeah. So Tanuja, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from MP, Bhopal. And by profession, I'm a software engineer. And also, I run a YouTube channel where I post English conversational videos. And
Mm-hmm.
about my interest, I love painting, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of painting do you do, Tanuja?
It's mostly like sketching, or
Mm-hmm.
I'm not good at painting, but I would say that I love spending time there when I get free time. So I just sketch natural things or any nature kind of painting, like sunset or trees, forest, these
Right,
kind of
right.
painting.
All right. And what form of dance do you do?
I would say it's freestyle dance whenever I get
Uh-huh.
these kind of occasion, especially like birthdays or
Mm-hmm.
marriage or these kind of things. So then I do. But I just feel that I have to learn it. But to be honest, my day is already occupied with lot of things, so I'm not able to do so. But when I'll get time in the future, so I want to learn.
All right. Which dance form exactly do you want to learn?
I would say that kind of Bollywood. Uh,
Bollywood freestyle kind of
yes,
contemporary
yes,
dance form.
yes.
Right, right, right. I am actually myself a classical dancer, so I learned as a child. I left it long back, but I still do practice it sometimes. So
Oh wow.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you learned classical dance,
Yes, I learned Kathak. Yes.
Kathak. Okay,
Yes. So
that's good
yeah,
to know.
yeah. So I am Smita, and I completed my master's. I have been studying all over India, so no use going to that. So, but right now I'm in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I am studying. I'm completing my higher studies
Mm-hmm.
in for I'm doing my B.Ed and M.Ed education degree here. And I recently joined Clapingo because I wanted to, speak with a lot of people. I wanted to gain that confidence, and speaking here as a speaker also kind of helps me contribute a lot to the teaching. So I'm trying to overcome a lot of other fears, personal fears as well. So I guess that's why I'm here. Uh, I like to travel. I like to dance. I like to sing. So I like to read. So yeah, that's about me.
Oh, that's good to know about you. So most of the things are similar. So
Yeah.
now you are going in the teaching field, or you are already teaching on some other
Uh,
places, or
no, no, no. I used to. I mean, sometimes on and off I did. Right now, I'm not doing any full time anywhere. So I am pursuing my studies. Apart from that, I used to work in publishing actually. So yeah, that is what I was more interested in. Teaching, I took up as, just recently, something that I started
Mhm.
recently. So yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah. So, Tanuja, tell me something. uh, what is a piece of advice that somebody has given you uh, that has changed your life like very significantly, and that's how you live your life now? Maybe you go by those things, those advices, piece of advices that you received.
well. So I would say that I have received this advice is that love yourself. You know, when you start
Mhm.
loving yourself, so people will start in the same manner. I have learned this advice
Right.
and I found it really valuable because
Hmm.
I was very, what can I say? Like, I used to feel inferiority complex about me, like about my personality, about like a lot of things. Like I'm lacking here, I have these big weaknesses and these kind of things. And one day, somebody told me, like one of my friends, that you know, like you should love yourself and you should accept the way you are, and when you
Hmm.
will accept these things, that yes, I'm good enough in that category, in that thing, so definitely people will see you in the same manner. Like we see that like as you see you in the mirror, like I'm looking 80% beautiful, so people will make you see
See
you
me in the
in the
same
same
way.
manner. Yeah,
Right, right, right.
so it's like that. And it really works actually. So when you feel that I'm not looking good enough or like that, so people are like the same, they think the
Hmm.
same thing. So these things I
Hmm.
would say that it helped me a lot in my journey, and now I really believe and I love myself all the way that I am.
Hmm. All right. Yeah. So I agree. I mean, your confidence, your self-doubt is often something that reflects on your face. And the moment your face is kind of the mirror of your soul. And if you show other people that you are not confident about your looks, you are not confident about how you feel about yourself, other people mirror the same thing. You show yourself down, and that's how people treat you, right? So absolutely agree with you there. All right, Tanuja, you said you you are a good traveler. You love to travel a lot.
Yes.
What kind of a traveler are you? If the journey demands you to wake up at 5 a.m. and go running somewhere, trekking somewhere, are you that kind, or do you like to relax and sit somewhere, enjoy the sunset? Are you that kind of person?
Oh, I want to enjoy the places, and if it demands that I have to wake up early, and even in the night, if I have to travel till late night, and I
Mm-hmm.
know that I'll get something good after that, so definitely I will do that thing. In our trip also, I used to wake up early and did my all things like freshen up and all. I used to do it
Mm-hmm.
like very first, and my friends are like, oh, let me sleep for more time like that, and we used to get late just because of that thing.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. No, no, that happened with me as well. I mean, that leads me to my other question. Suppose you're traveling with somebody, and what is the one thing that annoys you the most, or that is something, or characteristics you look forward, look to, uh, being there in your travel partner?
The first thing that I would say that if it is not that planned, that
Mm-hmm.
how we are going to that place or something. Like in our trip, that it was already decided because we had jeep and we had guides, so they guided us like, here you have to go and you have to spend this time like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we covered almost part just because of that thing. Time
Mm-hmm.
management was the good part there, and in the case of partner or friend, so what time they do like they spend more time in some unnecessary thing, and because of that
Mm-hmm.
we do a lot of other things, a lot of other things, so it happens like that. So like when
Right.
we had to go to Choragarh, so my friend was very tired and she woke up very late, and because of her,
Mm-hmm.
so we all got late and we skipped one place just because of our timing. So
Mm-hmm.
we so that things annoy me a lot, I would say.
Right, right. But then that is also a part of traveling, I think. The experience of knowing to get to know each other, that when you spend time with your friends in these circumstances, you come to know, oh, this person is the lazy one. Okay, this person is the one that can get ready fast. So, you get to know your friends in the real sense. They say that if you want to know somebody, you must travel with them at least to one place.
Yes,
Yeah, that is there.
so
Mm-hmm.
like one of my friends, so she was early riser. So she used to wake up very early and she was the first one always. And she did all the things and she used to wait for all of them. And
Mm-hmm.
what happened when we went to the trekking? So she was the lazy one because she was not able to climb on that stairs. And we used to wait for
Right,
her to, you know, cover that part. So we were saying
right.
like, you are the first one that who get up early and
Wakes up.
get ready, and here you are the last one. So
Right.
that was your strength, and now this is your weakness.
Is a weakness, right? Right, absolutely. And that's how I think we start bonding with each other, We kind of balance each other out whenever we are traveling together.
Yeah.
She can't now complain in the next day, she can't complain you're not waking up early because she knows that if she complains right now while in the trekking, she might, lag behind and you will complain that why are you not able to walk? So,
Yes,
so, so then I guess we all have our weaknesses and strengths, and that helps in creating the bond of friendship, of course.
yes.
So yeah, anything you would like to ask me, Tanuja?
So what was your recent trip, if you want to share?
Mine was to Maharashtra actually. I went on a trip to Maharashtra recently. So yeah, there we visited a couple of, it was a hill station, so visited a couple of tea plantations as well. So yeah, it was nice. We had, Maharashtrian food. We talked to people. It was nice. It was a nice trip.
Okay, have you covered Mumbai?
No, no, I haven't. It was my first time to Maharashtra, but no, I haven't gone to Mumbai yet.
Okay. Yeah,
How
it
is
is also
Mumbai?
nice. Yeah, it is also a beautiful place, but it is bit crowded. So people
Uh,
already know.
right,
So I
right.
went a lot of places there also, but there was huge crowd, I would say. So
Mm-hmm.
we got, less chance to, visit freely. Like most of the
Mm-hmm.
places were full of crowd and we had to see from the far. So it happened like that.
Mm-hmm.
We went on the peak time, like the holidays time, so that's why maybe.
Right, right. Yeah, I mean, that is one of the reasons why people, try to skip traveling during the peak holiday days. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, Tanuja, what you said you travel a lot. So, recommend me a place where I should go next around Madhya Pradesh here, near about here, maybe.
So I would say that in MP I haven't visited a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I visited outside MP,
Okay.
like Maharashtra and Rajasthan also. Rajasthan is also a beautiful place to visit. So we visited
Mm.
Jaipur.
Oh,
There,
uh-huh.
so there are some other places also, but we had limited time, so we left almost part like Jaisalmer.
Mm-hmm.
These kind of places also, good to go there. And
Mm-hmm.
I visited Bangalore also, but
Mm-hmm.
I went there for my job purpose, so I haven't got that chance to cover the places.
Right,
But it
right.
is a good place, I would say, especially the people who want to get good weather and kind of natural places. And people are so cultured there, so we see when we see the local people, so we feel like yes, they are how cultured they are, how they are following their tradition, their dresses. It
Mm-hmm.
looks so beautiful and nice to see them,
Mm-hmm.
and also they are very helpful person. So, South people.
Right. Right, of course. I lived in I used to live for a couple of months. I did work there in Jaipur, so I did explore the place. It's a beautiful city, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah. One of my favorite places in Jaipur was the Amer Fort. If you had visited there, right?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
really beautiful. Right atop the mountains, uh, with the
Mm-hmm.
view of the nearby valley. So it was a really nice place. All right, Tanuja, it's almost time is near. It was really nice talking to you. I enjoyed talking to you a lot. Uh,
Yeah, likewise.
it seems like we share a lot of our hobbies, our interests. Yeah, so
Yeah,
yeah, so we hope to have a conversation soon again, maybe, and
yeah, sure.
continue sharing our
Would you
stories.
like to add any feedback? I should improve.
Yeah, you seem to say a couple of filler words, I think, words like also and only in between sentences. Maybe try to minimize the use of also, I mean, only, and
Mhm.
also try to use it in the beginning of the sentence rather than at the end. When you're trying to say that I do this, so you can say I do this too, okay? Instead of saying also, try saying too. Other
So
than
in the
that,
last,
in the end, yes, in the end
and
of
yeah,
the sentence. Other than that, your English is quite fluent, Tanuja. How long have you been using Clapingo, if I may know?
I would say that few months.
Okay, okay.
But yeah,
Uh,
I'm learning English for a very long time. And in
uh,
my workplace also I speak in English, so that's why maybe.
all right, all right. Yeah, yeah, you have quite the fluency in the language. All right, Tanuja, it's time for
Thank
my
you.
next
Have a great
session.
day.
Thank you. Have a great day, you as well. Bye bye.
Bye.